Hello everyone, I'm Rachel from the Innisfil Idea Lab and Library, and in today's Tinkershop tutorial, we're going to learn how to sew accordion-style masks. So let's get started.
Begin by cutting out 2 pieces of fabric by 9 inches by 6 inches. Also cut out 2 pieces of elastic that are about 6 to 7 inches long. Next, pin the end of the elastics to the corner of your fabric with right sides together down the 6-inch side. After pinning your elastics, we're going to sew a 1/4 of an inch seam down the sides of your mask, leaving a 2-inch opening at the bottom. Next, turn your mask inside out and iron it flat. Next, create 3 1/2-inch pleats and pin them horizontally across your mask. And finally, sew a 1/4 of an inch seam all the way around your mask.
There you have it. You've just created and learned how to sew an accordion-style mask. If you're interested in creating and donating some, please get in contact with your local branch at the Innisfil Idea Lab and Library. Be sure to subscribe and like our channel to get all the newest Tinkershop videos. I'm Rachel from the Innisfil Idea Lab and Library, and thank you so much for joining us. Take care.